night. You all know the stock 80 series lights are like holding two candles up and often leave much to be desired. So I installed these Cougar Motors LED lights, and I went out tonight to try to find a road that was dimly lit with no street lights, so that I could give you an accurate depiction of how much more improved these headlights are. So these are my low beams that I currently have on now. There's the high beams. You can see that the throw is wonderful. It is a great improvement. I've been running these again for about 2 years now with no issues, and I highly recommend them. They do sell them for the US spec, which is the 9005 and 9006 lights, as well as some of the overseas models. I believe they're an H4 and an H1 style bulb. But yeah, that's it for tonight. I hope this video helps. If you got any questions, just please comment below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.